It's glowing! Something is awakening.
We should watch closely.
That wasn't thunder.
It's real! I felt it! The ground was humming!
Humming? Like a song?
A song older than the jungle itself, perhaps. I can see it. The gorge is just ahead.
Why does it sound like it's breathing?
Because some places are... It's dark in there. The temple remembers only the brave. Then it's alive. And it's been waiting. I have to do this.
The temple tests hearts, not strength.
I trust you, Milo.
Then show it, brave one.
They're moving.
The Echo Guardians respond only to hearts that are pure.
Are they alive?
It shows everything we've done. These memories, they guide those who are brave. It shows everything we've done. It feels alive. These memories, they guide those.
Quick, this way. It's falling apart.
Stay close, everyone! Hurry! We have to reach the peaks!
I can't keep up.
Focus, Bobo! Trust Milo!
Move faster, everyone.
Friends, creatures of the jungle, the time has come!
Sing! Let the first dawn be heard.
Yes!
Together, the song.
Goodbye, old friend! We'll remember always!
Unity, it lives on in all hearts. Until next time, Jungle.
Some stories, you don't just hear, you live them.
And they stay in your heart.
Thanks for watching Sweet Giggle Tales. We hope you laughed, imagined, and had tons of fun. Come back soon for more magical stories, sweet giggles, and happy endings. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because every giggle counts. Until next time.